back to my channel. I literally cannot believe I'm filming this video today. I am so excited to be able to have a new filming space for you guys and for myself. Really quickly, if you hear like some moving in the camera, I apologize. I got a new lens when my other lens broke, and then I had that lens break, so I had to buy another one. So I apologize for the autofocus if it's making any weird sounds. Now, I did want to just go ahead and let you guys know I got an office space. I'm so excited about it. It is a shared office space, but I still have my area where I can film videos, also do any of my real estate stuff and my design business from outside of my home, which has been, I would say, somewhat helpful. I just moved in a couple weeks ago. I still haven't finished decorating and everything like that. But today's video, I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I picked up for my office. So some of the things you will see back here, and I may end up pulling it out so that you can see it better. All of these items I picked up, I believe it was at Hobby Lobby, but I'll let you guys know the prices and everything like that. The first thing I wanted to show you guys was this sign that I picked up, and it just says Babe Cave. This sign is so cute. I absolutely love it. It's so girly, so neat, and it makes me feel like, yeah, this is my babe cave, so it describes it perfectly. A train was just passing, so ignore that. But this sign was $14.99 originally, and I got it half off during, I think it's 1 week off, where they alternate their 50% off. So I definitely had to make sure to wait, because otherwise it would have been really expensive, all the items that I picked up. So this is the first time that I purchased. I hope you guys like it. If you are in the market for it, I'll go ahead and leave the direct links for it down in the description bar for you guys, because I did see it online also. Moving right along, the next sign I picked up was the super cute one with the mug. It just has like a little kiss, and it says "Leave your mark," which I think is so special. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one yet or not. I have to put up my shelves, which I bought a shelf, well, 2 shelves to put behind here on my wall, and I'll show you guys that later after this actually. But this one was $21.99 originally, and I also got it 50% off. Let me see if I can do a close-up for you guys. So I just thought this was so cute, so like boss babe, girl boss type of vibe, and that's what I'm going for in my office space, well, my section of it anyway. So that's what I picked up. The next thing I picked up was the 2 shelves that I talked to you just now about, and these are so pretty, you guys. I always wanted something like this. These are actually marble shelves, and they have like a gold rim, so they'll sit up like this. And I did 2, so I can do one here and then one right above it, above my computer. If you guys want to see how I decorate my office, let me know. I still have to have my husband hang these up for me. So if you want to see that whole process, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to film it for you guys, or just do like a mini office tour. Sorry for the coughing. I don't have the coronavirus. But yeah, so I picked these shelves up, and they're just so pretty. These were actually, I feel like, really affordable. The original price was $41.99, but I picked it up for half of that, of course. And so I pretty much got 2 for the price of 1. The next item I picked up was this super cute sign. It just says Coffee Mascara Hustle, and I just think it's so cute. It has that beautiful blush pink that I love, and it just describes the whole vibe for me here. I'll go ahead and link all of these also, like I mentioned, so that you guys can know where to purchase it if you're interested in any of these items. I'll send you I'll put the direct link in the description bar, because I know Hobby Lobby has all of these online. I'll just have to look for them, because I almost thought about ordering it, but then I decided not to, since I found them in store. This is one of my favorites, along with the Babe Cave, because they have the same colors, and they're just so like boss babe type of vibe, and so girly with the pink. And I placed this one here for now. Then I also have this lipstick one. Let me show you guys. I also picked up this lipstick one. which is so cute. I absolutely love it. This one was $19.99, and of course I got it half off. Everything I got was half off, except for I think like the stationery items, like for my business card and the pencil holder. So that was that. Let me go ahead and put this back in its place. So this is how I have it set up for now in this little corner. I absolutely love this little corner right here. It's so cute. I just have it placed like that until I put my shelves, and then maybe I'll put it on my shelves, or maybe I'll keep them there. Let me know what you think. The next item I picked up is this super cute leopard mug. You guys know, if you followed me for a long time, that I am from New Jersey and New York, and this just feels like Jersey in a mug to me. And then it also has like this super cute Boss Babe here engraving, so I absolutely love that. And then lastly, I just picked up two other items. I apologize for the ring light in the back, which was just this like blush pink pencil holder and this business card holder. So these I don't have the price for. I don't see them on here. Oh, this one was $2.99, and the other one doesn't have a price on it. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up for my office in case you guys were looking for some inspo. If you guys want me to show you guys how I set everything up once the shelves are up and everything like that, I will go ahead and do that. I think that was it. This vase I picked up from Home Goods. I don't recommend it. It has like this gold rim. Actually, let me just show it to you guys really quickly. Oh. It has like this gold flower cage thing where you can place the ornaments. It's really helpful for like placing the flowers and keeping them in place, but it starts to rust. Not a good vase in my opinion. I'm not sure why they didn't do it plastic. I'm sure plastic probably wouldn't have caused that issue. But that was it for this video, you guys. I'm super excited to have a space now to film like my intros and my outros, and then also my sit down videos like my hauls. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have more videos coming soon now that I have a space to film without my kids running around. So be sure to subscribe, and let me know which was your favorite item that I picked up from this haul for my office, and if you would like for me to film once it's officially decorated, or that decorate my office with me video in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys have any specific requests, let me know down in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.